So if you are happy for Faila, if you are happy for Tamale, we are using this song to sing about 5 songs. Are you ready for that? This particular tune, we are using it for 5 songs. How much?
I will share mommy and I counted down a moment abra chef Faila to my assistant was serving jollof rice. Hey, jollof now me as a and can say in your restaurant on me the anima they are saying and say yet where new abusia jollof no yen kuturu sies ano. Hey, I am pushed. Say me mbowura ho. Hey, abusia hwe nam no abasa ene siso no abasa biem ene da ho na we ne yekon onguswa serve or the wa spice no kakra wa grill yeah count it down. Chef Faila to Wakonka 226 hours. I am in the show or paper name. I was here iron in the show. Iron in the show. At long last, the battle has ended. At long last, Chef Faila to I can see no aberry ya nessa. Jollof na almost serving no grano. And Miara, I am in the show. Enter Bushia the last supper and I almost here word you man the last supper and I win here the last breakfast and I win here the last lunch and I want S7 not to say you made the yeah the abandoned yeah Tamale Modern City Hotel Cookathon in Yabano yes or shall say from 1st of January to 5th of January now 120 hours. Name and never be saying can I go munti. But yes, adia obeko na nim na wakọ no 10 days straight forward no and 10 days no enka obewie no ochena mache but abusua na said abusua mienko hwehwe etutuo bi a efi jollof na ya se ne kuturu siesi ho no we odua no ma be popa no mo se no hozalo what Abusia and the international community they have really shown massive support. Abusia mienko na yenko he jollof na ya need that so den no enche bia na jollof no ya be serve na we no akoye the last supper na the last lunch no. Are we going to give it to the husband? Will it be for guest ayaba here na say we no ehifo eho enebeko? abusua abrantie ote se abrantie bi se o twi cycle bicycle e dey free nkran ba Tamale ha e dey abe support yenua ba Faila to Abdulrazak abrantie no akwantu a otu ye no ene no wabepie mu e Tamale ha all ban so kita na bicycle wode aba abepie mu e wodwumede ase a ono e na ho se won guide no ye ne yo ne baba jeje no de na ko ho Zabusia brantie no e na eje ne samba watwi bicycle yi efin crime e na odi abepie mu e wo Tamale ko dua mu to support Ninuaba Faila to Abdulrazak Ogusua ebo adwuma wabo 225 hours 11 minutes.
Yeah, I suffer a lot in the road, but I did not give up. I made my mind that I will reach Tamale with a bicycle, and I will try my best to make it possible. When I started the journey, I suffered flat tire 3 times in the road, and 2 of which was far distance from the next village. It was quite like 5 kilometers or this thing. The other one was like 2 kilometers. So I have to roll the bicycle to the next village so that I can get the organizer to watch on it. But in the third one, the tube spoiled. But unfortunately, I was going with a spare tire, a spare tube. So I give out the spare tube and they put it. And when I reach Bandu, I stopped and buy another spare tube. But nothing happened to me again. The major problems I was facing, and that slowed me. Rain stopped me on the way about 1 hour. And the mountains, they are suffering a lot. I would change the gears to the smoothest one, but still climbing the mountain was not easy. But when you climb the mountain and you are descending, that one there, you go speed. And I make sure that anytime I'm descending, I will speed up because I want to reach here on time. Anytime I'm descending, I speed up to reach here on time.
How many days did you do on the road?
Yeah, it took me 3 days. I set off on Sunday 8:30, and I reached here, Tamale here last night 7:30 to 7:40.
Now we know that riding through the danger, what are some of the things that scared you while coming, and if you did it in the night as well?
Yes, no, there was not anything bothering me or scaring me from continuing the journey. But I was night time. My fear was to get a flat tire in night time. If I had a flat tire in night time, that one day I would suffer. But unfortunately, nothing happened in night.
So you will ride through the night times as well. Did you ride through the night?
Yes. I ride all the days. I ride in the night. I make sure I have before they reach me.
So it means that you didn't skip. Madam, sorry.
Abusuanti abrantie na etwi bicycle e dey free and crying. Ordinary echire mu e wo Tamale ha se oba no abeboa wa support Ninuaba chef Faila to Abdulrazak. O che se da no kwasi ada e na o share akwantu na se e na nyame ncha de enra anwumre e na obeduru ye. This is in support of Ninuaba no enunti enenam so a wabepie mu e wa hasen no. nti wo hwɛ ne bag na wo sɛ ne nsuo bɔ n'akyi kyɛ sɛ ɔnyina koraa no ahome ɔyɛ ya no watwe nsuo no afa ne dorobɛn nim na wanom na ɔtoa na kwantuo so a ne sa abusuaka sima bɛyɛ nwɔtwe na nondu no abɔ pɛpɛɛpɛ ɛwɔ ahase na yɛnua baa no akasi a no de akasi manson na wayɛ 226 hours na aduane a yɛbɛka sɛ ɛtwa atoɔ ɛna ɔyɛ yi a na ɛha Ghana News TV so yɛgu so wɔ ha ne yɛkɔ so wɔ ha biara no ɛbɛmoma hunu na moatumi appreciate sɛnea ɛteɛ no akasima no enum na bibibia ɛyɛ aba wiea ne sa na yɛbisa sɛ yɛnua bɛɛ we bɛɛ ne last aduane a ɔnoa anaasɛ wɔn ɛtwɛn sɛ ɔbɛnoa ama na bɛn but mehwɛ na adeɛ no so hɔ a mehu sɛ akɔmfɛm bi akye a ɛhyɛ wankɔ na ɛna ogu so a nso enu aduane nim saa we ɛne yɛbɛka sɛ last supper anaasɛ we ne yɛdeɛ wɛn ɛdɔm no deɛ wɔn aba yie paa anopa no mmerɛ a yɛbaeɛ no ohun sɛ na asɛ ɛdɔm no wɔ fam kakra but yɛkɛsɛ yi no baabi biara ayɛ ma and still wohwɛ kaa kwan no mu a nkurɔfoɔ gu so a ɛreba this happens to be the last day a yɛnua baa no aduane noa no ɔnoa na owia na kyɛ sɛ record na ɔpɛ sɛ ɔbreki no watumi abreki abusua wohwɛ baabi a ɔno aduane yɛ anim ha baabi a ayɛ ma kyɛ sɛ wonya baabi koraa mfa na nsi ɛdɔm no aba boroso ama ɔmo a overpower militaryfoɔ no ama nka ɔmo a ɔmɔni anyɛ deɛ anka ɔmo yɛ agu afɔm soa ne sa nanso mmarima ma deɛ anɔpa o awie o anadwo o ɔmo yɛ mmarima mba nti wɔn etimi ewie no abusua momie nyinaa yɛn counted down emomwe abra chef Faila to ne assistant was serving jollof rice jollof na omie aso sa ni enka say ne ko restaurant omo ye aduane ma ye de asenka ne se yeti ho ani o abusua hwɛ jollof no ye ne kuturu sie za no I am pushed to say mbowura ho abusua hwɛ nam no abasa ene si so no abasa biem ene da ho na we ne ye kon ongu so a serve or the wa spice no kakra wa grill ye count it down represent Chef Faila to Wakonka 226 hours. I am in the show or paper name. I was here iron in the show. Iron in the show. At long last, the battle has ended. At long last, Chef Faila too. For the I can see no aberia nessa. Jollof na almost in Okrano. And Miara. Iron in the show. Enter Bushia, the last supper, and I almost hear word you man. The last supper, and I win here the last breakfast, and I win here the last lunch, and I want S7. Not just say, you made the yeah, the abandoned yeah, Tamale Modern City Hotel. Cookathon, I am a year, yes, or shall say from 1st of January to 5th of January. Now why 120 hours. Name and never be saying can now munti. But yes, as idea. Obeko na name now work on 10 days straight forward no. And 10 days no enka obewie no ochina match but abusua na said abusua me enko hwehwe etutu obi a efi jollof na ya se ne kuturu siesi no. We Odriano Mabe Popa, no more Shen or Hosalo. What? Abusia and the international community, they have really shown massive support. Abusia Mianko na Yanko Jollof na. You need that so then no Enchibiana Jollof no. You be serving away no acquire the last supper and as the last lunch, you know. Are we going to give it to the husband? Will it be for guest ayaba here and as a winner and for eho and a beko?
Let's say the more about abbyexpress.com. abbyexpress.com the media yeah I got a phone near Manina, the Apua, the abbyexpress.com. And then I won't be free Ghana, and Africa, and Papua Saturday. Can tell me that I won't pen out your dad who are party as Siana. Maybe I will be abbyexpress.com. Yeah, they are Papua Yamano, yeah, they blow abbyexpress.com. Yeah, dear, I mean, and then I will share who are Europe abroad today, and now America, Australia, no one. Now that's Asia now here. Maybe I will be in Slokra. Everyone is on abbyexpress.com. Now you will Sabeka. abbyexpress.com. Where they end your mo. abbyexpress.com. Where they papa. abbyexpress.com. Yeah, the Ghana and Swallow Rochero.